In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. To start, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams using your work or school account right on your web browser or inside the app. Navigate to the Calls tab on the left-hand side of the Teams interface. If you don't see it, your organization might need to enable it via Microsoft 365 admin settings, or your license might not include Teams phone capabilities. Once you're in the Calls section, you'll see a dial pad if your account has PSTN calling enabled. This means you can call actual phone numbers, not just Teams contacts. If you're only calling within Teams, say, to a teammate or someone in a shared organization, you can simply search their name in the search bar above and hit the phone icon next to their name. When calling external numbers, just use the dial pad to enter the phone number, including the country code if it's international, and then press the call button. Teams will initiate the call through the cloud-based phone system. You can also make calls straight from your chat with someone by clicking the phone or video call icon in the top right corner of the chat window, which is especially handy for quick follow-ups. Additionally, Teams allows for advanced call features like call forwarding, voicemail, call queues, and even setting up speed dials. For businesses using Teams as a full phone system replacement, these tools make daily communication incredibly efficient. Just make sure your IT team has configured your Teams account for external calling if you need to reach numbers outside your organization. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.